Star anise is a unique spice with a distinct flavor and numerous health benefits. It is a seed pod of the Alyssium verum tree and is widely used in many cuisines around the world. Star anise is commonly used as a flavoring agent in various dishes, including soups, stews, curries, and desserts. But beyond its culinary uses, star anise also offers numerous health benefits that make it a valuable addition to your diet. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Here are some of the health benefits of star anise. Rich in antioxidants. Star anise is a rich source of antioxidants that help protect the body against oxidative stress caused by free radicals. These antioxidants also help prevent the onset of chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Promotes digestive health. Star anise has been traditionally used as a natural remedy for digestive problems. It contains compounds like shikimic acid, anetol, and eugenol that help soothe the stomach, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy digestion. It can also help alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and constipation. Boosts immune system. Star anise contains compounds that have antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. It also has immune-boosting effects that can help protect the body against infections and diseases. Anti-inflammatory properties. Star anise has potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. This can be beneficial for individuals with conditions like arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, and other inflammatory disorders. Relieves menstrual cramps. Star anise has been traditionally used to relieve menstrual cramps. It contains compounds like anetol that have a calming effect on the muscles, which can help ease the pain and discomfort associated with menstrual cramps. Supports respiratory health. Star anise has been used in traditional Chinese medicine as a natural remedy for respiratory problems, like coughs, colds, and flu. It contains compounds like shikimic acid that have antiviral properties and can help reduce the severity and duration of respiratory infections. Promotes skin health. Star anise contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can help improve skin health. It can also help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and improve skin texture and tone. Incorporating star anise into your diet is easy and can be done in a variety of ways. You can add it to soups, stews, curries, and desserts for a unique and flavorful twist. You can also brew it as a tea by adding a few star anise pods to boiling water and allowing it to steep for a few minutes. Climate. Star anise requires a warm, humid climate and grows well in subtropical regions. It is native to China and grows well in other countries in Southeast Asia, such as Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia. Star anise prefers well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. The pH of the soil should be around 6.0-7.5. Star anise is usually propagated by seeds or cuttings. Seeds are sown in well-prepared soil during the rainy season. The seedlings are transplanted to the main field after about 6-8 months. Star anise requires regular watering, especially during the dry season. Mulching around the base of the plants helps to retain moisture in the soil. Fertilizers, both organic and inorganic, can be used to improve soil fertility. Star anise trees start bearing fruit after 6-7 years, and the fruits are harvested when they turn brown, and the points on the star-shaped fruit start to open. The fruits are harvested by hand and dried in the sun or in a dryer until they are crisp. Dried star anise fruits should be stored in airtight containers in a cool, dry place. Properly stored, they can be kept for up to 2 years. It is important to note that star anise contains a compound called shikimic acid, which is used to produce Tamiflu, a drug used to treat influenza. As a result, in some countries, cultivation of star anise is tightly controlled to prevent the illegal production of Tamiflu. In conclusion, star anise is a versatile spice that offers numerous health benefits. Its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune-boosting properties make it a valuable addition to your diet. So next time you're in the kitchen, consider adding some star anise to your recipe for a healthy and flavorful twist. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more content. It helps us out and encourages us to keep creating more videos like this one. Until the next video, we hope you have a healthy and happy day.